What's up, guys? I'm back with another video on the Duramax. But before we get started, I just want to take a second and thank everyone who subscribed last month. My subscriber count really went up and I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I'm trying really hard to get up to 1,000 subscribers and I think we can do it. I think I'm currently about 240 or 250 right now. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. All right, here's what we're going to be installing today. These LED fog lights. These are my favorite fog lights for Chevy and GMC trucks. They're BeamTech brand. Invincible white, be cool. I don't know what that means, but they're just off Amazon. I can put a link. I'm not affiliated anyway with them, but I do like them. I also got this. I'll show you that in a second. I'm going to throw that on. And this video brought to you by O'Reilly Auto Parts. Just kidding. It's not actually brought to you by O'Reilly Auto Parts. And I've already had the matching LED headlights for probably like 6 months or so, and I love them. They're super bright, super nice at night. So I figured I'd go ahead and get the matching LED fog lights. Here's the current fog lights I got in there. I really don't like them. They're just the stock amber ones, and you can see they don't really match the headlights as good. So I'm just gonna swap those out. First things first, I'm gonna throw on that short antenna real quick. It's weird with the left hand. Just unscrew this. Maybe. How long is this thing? Oh, there we go. Okay, first dump this out. Nice, that's sick. I really like that. I think it's this one. Screw it in here. I feel like I'm building a weapon of mass destruction or something. Got that tight. Next, throw it on the truck. Take a step back, see how it looks. That's sweet, I like that a lot. I'll link that too. That was off Amazon also. Okay, now for the fog lights. Crawl under here. I already got this one mostly in. Just twist it all the way in. I did have to massage the fins a little bit because it didn't fit quite right. Yeah, I don't know if it's just because they're cheaply made or what, but you had to massage these fins, especially that top one right there. Otherwise, it won't fit in the fog light housing. So just keep that in mind in case you buy these. Okay, now on the other side, I just got this one in too. Twisted it. But I did discover that randomly my fog light housing is shattered. Which is weird because I've never done anything with the fog lights on this truck. But it is like a 20-year-old truck. Just gotta plug it in. I'll have to replace that housing later. Now let's try them out. Okay, let's try them out. See what they look like. Headlights, fog lights. Oh yeah, those look sweet. Those and the bullet antenna, pretty sick. I'm gonna pull it out and I'll point them in the garage so you can see how bright they are. Okay guys, I'm sitting in the driveway pointing this at the garage. That's just the fog lights. Those are pretty freaking bright fog lights by themselves. So then when you add the headlights in, wow, that's awesome. Then I also have the 6 high mode. So you can turn on the brights too and have all the fog lights, the lows, and the brights all going at the same time. I'm gonna drive it down the road really quick and show you what it looks like going down the road. Here it is with all 4, the low beams and the fog lights going down the road. I love the colors, the bright white, it's awesome. We'll try out the high beams here too. That's what the high beams. Yeah, it's awesome, I love it. All right guys, that's all I have for now. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. I'm gonna try and upload more frequently, maybe every week or 2 weeks. Please comment, rate, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a good one.